Thanks to all of our sponsors for making our Computex 2024 coverage possible.
We visited Colourful at Computex 2024 and they've clearly been hard at work creating some pretty unique products for us to take a look at. I love it when brands nail the aesthetics across product ranges, as so many brands have one team on the power supplies, one on peripherals, one on graphics cards, and you kind of put them together and they look like a dog's dinner. However, Colourful has absolutely got it right with the Vulcan series, having some really unique and interesting aesthetics, but they haven't overdone it as we often see with these gamer series products. The stylish and menacing looking Vulcan Z790 series motherboard in black looks simply incredible, and the armour on it looks a bit like an RTX 4000 series Founders Edition card. You can definitely see that they've taken some influence from that design, but imagine if you paired this with a 4080 Super FE card. That would look pretty sick, whilst also looking very stealthy. If you don't want an FE card, then Colourful do have their matching iGame graphics cards, as well as a cooler that features a screen on the pump head, a keyboard that also features a screen, and RAM to complete the setup. And I've got to admit, it does look pretty dark and menacing for those who want something more stealthy without all the lights, glitz and glam. Something else that was a big point for Colourful this year were their little modular screens. They had a GPU that featured it on full display, where we were able to have a look at how it works, connecting via 8 pins and magnets, so the screen was incredibly easy to reposition. And on the GPU, you had two mounting options, so the screen is visible in both normal horizontal mode as well as vertical mounted configurations. This screen wasn't exclusive to just GPUs, however, as both the keyboard and the AIO I mentioned previously also use the same system. Whether these will come with the product or be an optional extra is yet to be seen, but I like the idea that you can kind of choose what you want, be it either a blank panel, RGB, or these screens. It just opens up a lot of potential for customization. Now, the most interesting thing that Colourful had, at least to me, was their all-in-one Neptune series PC prototype. It's milled from a piece of aluminium big enough to carve a battle tank, and it's extremely heavy, as you might expect. However, with the motherboard and PSU hiding inside this monster chassis, you just see the liquid-cooled GPU on the front, the fans for the integrated radiator, and the RAM poking out of the front. Even around the back, there was stuff to see, like the convenient carry handle that would be an absolute godsend if you ever tried to move this thing. Also, at the back, we see a huge cutout for the radiator that allows for open-air access to the cooler. I dread to think of the price, but props to Colourful for creating something so beautiful and unique. And no, before you ask, it probably won't be coming to market, but is a true testament to what they're able to do. And I have to say, Colourful were, well, coloured me impressed. I just wish they had more of a presence in the Western market, but who knows what the future holds. For now, what product was your favourite? For me, it has to be that prototype. So let me know in the comments section below. Hopefully you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one. See you later, guys. Bye-bye.